everyone, hope you're doing good, and this video is especially for kids, those who really loves to wear wristwatches. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cartoon wristwatch. For making this, you'll need a thin cardboard sheet, your favorite cartoon pictures, two wrist magnets, color papers, sketch pens, cotton buds, scissors, blade, scale and glue. Do not forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, click on the subscribe button and also help your friends to make their own cartoon wristwatch by sharing this. Hey kiddos, collect all your favorite cartoon characters and make your own wristwatch. So what are the main parts of a watch? Yes, a dial, a sub-dial, strap, crown and hands. As this is a cartoon watch, I am not including any minutes hand or hours hand in this. Okay, let's start with the dial. Take a thin cardboard sheet and your favorite color paper. Stick the color paper to the cardboard sheet with the glue, and now cut the square from the cardboard sheet using scissors with the proper dimensions. Do not worry about the dimensions, they're displayed at the top. And now draw another square inside the first square with 1 centimeter less than that. Now cut the inner square. Do not cut it completely, just look how I'm doing, and you need a blade for doing this. Kiddos, be careful with the blade. Ask your mom or dad to do this. Now let's make the sub-dial. Take any color paper of your wish, and with this we're gonna make a rectangular shape with length 26 centimeters and breadth 3 centimeters. Insert this into the square. And now you can design the inner dial with sketches. Take two cotton buds for making crowns. Stick them on the either sides of the rectangular sheet. With the help of these sticks, we can easily change the cartoons in the sub-dial. I'll show you that later. Take a plaster and roll it around the stick. Do this for both the sides. So our dial, sub-dial and crown are ready, and now it's time to make the strap. Take a color paper and make another rectangle with length 20 centimeters and breadth 3 plus 3 centimeters, that is 6 centimeters. Insert this rectangular paper into other two holes of the square. And here comes the very interesting part. Now we need to stick the pictures on our subtrail. You can collect all your favorite cartoon characters and take a printout of it, or you can directly use the cartoon stickers. Stick all these cartoon pictures on the subtail. Everything's perfect, but how we need to fit it or how we can adjust it to our wrist? For that, take two disc magnets, stick one magnet on the back side of the strap. Where will you stick the other one? Yes, on the outer side, exactly opposite to the first magnet. And finally, our cartoon wristwatch is ready. You can surprise your dear ones by making this beautiful handmade watch with their favorite cartoon characters. Happy crafting!